Okay folks, we're doing backyard chickens, and this is 9 days into this. I'm going to pick out one of these eggs. Closest one, actually. Okay. I'll put it there. The pointy part is the part you want to put, because the top part, which is really round, is where the chicken egg is going to be at. And we're going to see something here. Let's take a look. Okay. You see this up here? Is that clear to you? We got a chicken forming right here, right now. Yeah. You can't see in the daylight, especially brown eggs. But you can see that right now, where there's a chicken being formed. So let's go ahead and put this egg back in. Check another one. Fix that. Point it in. And yes, you can see chicken being formed there. So there's chickens being formed right now. And I can take this part out, just don't want to do that. It just keeps them separated, but it's still rotating anyway. So folks, I've got fertile eggs, and that means my rooster is viable. I want to keep him around. If not, he's going to go in the pot. And I'm going to raise, like, during the season where, you know, they're really active, I'm going to raise them like 40 chickens, like within staggered, so like 30 days apart. And I won't use them for meat birds or whatever I want to do. Start a new flock. And there's enough diversity there. But also, the point is that I'm not going to buy any more eggs this year from anybody. Okay? Done. I don't want to have to risk it at all. So, if I want to have meat birds to fill my freezer, these little candidates are it. Or get rid of the rooster, and these ones become my new laying hens, and I get a new rooster. Now think about diversity. And by the way, my hand is like 9 inches long, and this is not even 9 inches long. Look at it. Okay? Look at it. Yes, I'm a big guy. Have a great night, and bless you.